If you want to fade your audio in Adobe Premiere Rush, you need to make sure your audio clip is selected, then go to the Effects panel and click on the second fade option. This will be applied to your audio clip. As you can see, it's too quick, so we need to increase the duration. So if you pull the toggle on duration to 3 seconds, and it's still a bit too short for me, so I want to change this to 5 seconds. So you just click on the 3 seconds and then you can change it to whatever you want and click the tick. If you only want to apply the fade at the end, make sure to delete it at the beginning of the audio clip by clicking on it and clicking delete.